Hey there, it's Simon here. We are going to look at Spacey Jane's Good For You today. I will see you in a second. Alrighty, so we're going to check out Spacey Jane's Good For You. The last few videos I've done have been like from the 1960s. And you know, like I love the 1960s. I'm a big Beatles person. But you know, there's heaps of new awesome music coming out all the time. And this is one killer band from Western Australia. They're called Spacey Jane. I really think you should go and check them out, even if you've never ever heard of them. Meanwhile, if you are here to watch videos of tutorials and guitar stuff, please do subscribe and click the bell. And I will see you twice a week. There's 2 new lessons every single week. Let's get straight into this tune. Now, the actual chords are pretty straightforward, but what he does, or whoever wrote the song, they came up with some really cool chord voicings, which is a bit of you know, makes a sort of standard chords sound way cooler, because basically the chords are C, A minor, G, and E minor. Right, and that's just pretty boring. So the first chord is actually a C major 7. So you're going to put your first finger here on C, third finger here on G, and your second finger on B. And then these two are the same note. And so you get this. Cool, huh? Now, he does what I call a Pete Townsend, so that kind of jing. He's the guitarist from The Who. I'm sure you knew, but you know, anyway. So we go chaka-chang, so down, up, down. And that's basically before the 1, okay? So you get the drums come in, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. And that's down, up, and then the down is on the 1, so you're going to get and a 1, and a down, 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 up, down. Okay? Pretty cool? So we've got, and then on the and after the 4, it's anticipated, you're going to play A minor 7, so bar your first finger at the 5th fret, and your third finger, I've only had 1 cup of coffee this morning, so bear with me. So, okay, so just try and get that first. So you're going to go up, up, down, up, up, down. So, down, up, down, A minor 7. And then he goes to a G 6. So I've got 5, 4, 3, 0. If you want, put your thumb over the top here and lazily use your third finger to mute that A string, so you don't want the A string in there. Okay? You hear the bass in there? So you're going to get this C major 7, A minor 7, and then we're going to go straight into that G6. And then all the way down to E minor. Same kind of strumming pattern, it's like a 2-bar strumming pattern. So you're getting that C major 7, A minor 7, and then G6, E minor. Now, if you like, at the end of the E minor, you can go back into the just at the end of that bar. Not necessarily sure he does actually do that, all right? So you get... Now the cool thing with playing E minor with your second and third fingers like this, it means that your third finger is already on the D string, so all you need to do is slide it up to 5, and then your first and second fingers go in here. Cool? So you're going to get that up, da, 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 slide up, and down we go. And so that is the intro. Now the intro is basically 12 bars long, so it does that thing 3 times. Okay, C, A minor, G6, E minor. Did I say E minor? I meant to say A minor. So C major 7, A minor 7, G6, E minor. Okay, that does it 3 times, and then you go into the verse, coffee. And the bass is just playing. Kind of thing, all right? Now, guitar doesn't play for a lot of the verse. Every so often he kind of does a little little bit like that, all right? And towards the end of the verse, kind of runs around a few times, 1, 2, 3, it runs around 4 times, those 4 chords. He is just pulling the... Okay, and then we go into, it's raining again, then we go into a chorus. So it goes G, A minor, E minor. So the chorus is basically G, G6, all on the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's on the up, so it's on the and. And then we're going to go to E minor, A minor shaped bar chord at the 7th fret. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and... So they were both anticipated as well, just like at the beginning, right? Up, up. Okay, that happens 4 times. Then it basically loops around to the kind of riff that you had at the beginning, but I've called it an interlude on my chart. And you're going to get, yeah, all that stuff. That was a bit out of tune because I was bending the strings. Sorry about that. And that's the first time. Now, the second time it comes out of the chorus, it goes into a guitar solo, which I haven't figured out. I haven't figured out any of the solo parts. I figured I'd do the rhythm parts first. If this video gets like, I don't know, 100,000 views, how about that? I will do the lead parts. Does that sound like a deal? Now, I mean, it could happen, right? Then it plays a solo. So the solo, the chords in the solo are basically 2 bars of C, A, E. Now, on the record, I think he plays... But I did see them at Laneways, actually, and there's a video of Laneways on the internet. I'll put a link just here, maybe. It's super cool. They are super energetic. You will love this band. And I saw him playing this, which is basically a C major with an open and a bass. So he's like... Yeah? And it does that 4 times. Now, when it gets to the end of that last one, at the end of the solo, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then it stops, and it goes back into the chorus, but the whole band stops, and the band only comes back in on the A minor. So you get that. Do you see what I mean? So that bit, we don't get that. The band stops. And basically then it plays the chorus round 2 choruses, and then you basically play that riff on the way out. Yeah? And that is how you play the rhythm guitar segment of Spacey Jane's Good For You. That is exactly the right chords. The chords here are absolutely important, that you play the right voicings. So if you're not playing quite the... See, that's not quite right. You know? And you've got to get it. You can't just hit that because you need the bass. So that kind of stuff is really, really important. If you're interested in a little bit of music theory, it can go a really, really long way. Go and check out one of my other videos. I've got some music theory videos here on my channel, so you can understand what the 7s and the 4s and all this sort of stuff mean when you're talking about the chords. It would really make a massive difference if you don't get all that stuff already. I remember not knowing that stuff, and then suddenly knowing that stuff, and I was like, oh my God, it's so easy. I can't believe it. So do check that out. Please do subscribe. I will see you next time. If you'd like to support the channel, you can do that at Patreon. It's patreon.com/Simon Morell. I will see you next time. Did I say subscribe? Do subscribe. Thanks. Go and check out this band. They're awesome. See ya.